so obsessed. It looks so cute, guys. Oh my gosh, you can't even notice it from like far away, but like up close.
I'm like a disco ball.
Hey besties, it's Becca. In today's video, we are doing a hair tinsel video. First time, like I just like looked up the directions like briefly, so this might be a fail. I don't know how it's gonna go, but we have a bunch of colors. I'm super excited and I can't wait to get right into the video. I ordered this kit from Amazon. I'll link it down below if you guys want to buy it. I'm not sponsored at all. I bought this with my own money. I think I paid like $18, $19 for this, but I realized like looking up one video about it that they have different colors of beads. Like they have blonde beads or black beads, and I got the black beads. So like what the heck? And then it comes with this little wire thing. And then it comes with pliers. So I have been getting a lot of comments about what kind of eyeshadow am I wearing, what kind of highlighter, and guys, I am so cheap, guys. You guys know me. I never buy anything expensive, and I actually really love this company called BH Cosmetics. And I buy it from Winners. They're super cheap. They go on sale. And this is the palette. It is by BH Cosmetics. And it just has like 6 shades. That's the pink in the corner that I use. And the highlighter. I absolutely love it. It's like guys, look. Do you guys see that highlight? So we have like the pliers that it comes with. And we have this like pin thing. And then we have the beads. It comes with a lot of colors. Like there's red, purples, multicolor. I really like that one. Gold, green, pink, and blue and green. Let's do the gold. So apparently you can curl these and straighten them, like they're heat friendly. So what I've seen people do is like you take a couple strands. Okay, we're gonna try this again because it was popping out. I think maybe I did it too close to the root maybe, but I am going to take another bead and I'm going to put it through this hole here, which comes like this. And I put 3 tinsels in the hole. We're gonna gel it up. Gel the piece up, ladies. Gel the piece up, and then we're gonna put it through the hole. Okay, so I'm gonna move it down a bit. And going to make sure, okay, like that. Okay, yeah, see, it's not sticking up anymore. Okay, good to go. Make sure you get the right color bead, guys. Don't mess up like me. I think three tinsels is like a good amount to put in a bead. Guys, I could do this every month. We'll get so good at it, just like our hair, and then we'll become pros at putting tinsels in our hair. And they don't cost that much. It makes you look like you have some kind of like highlights or you want color in your hair if you don't want to damage your hair. This is like perfect. So you just put it through like that and you tie a knot at the end there. Like that amount. Take some gel. And then you put it all the way. I think what my problem was is I was putting it too close to the root, and I wasn't going downwards with it. And then we'll cut it after we're done. What do you guys think? The gold looks nice. You have to make mistakes, guys, to learn. Okay, and I'm just gonna tie it in a knot. And not like that.
Oh my god, the concentration to get this in the hole is very tricky.
Okay, so then I'm going to make sure it's not too high. Guys, and I'm gonna take these out every time I bleach my hair. Feels nice. Like I can't even notice that it's in my head. Wow. I love it. And you just put it through. Oh my god, Kylie would love this. She's gonna love this when she's sleeping right now, but when she wakes up, she's gonna be like, she's gonna love it. I'm just using like regular gel. I don't think it matters what kind of gel you use, guys. Unless you have like the actual tool. Put it through the hole. Go up a bit. So that side is done. I'm gonna speed through this because it might get a little like repetitive, but I'm gonna do this side and I'll be back once it's done, but I'm gonna speed through this process. Enough in here now, I think. If not, I can just always add more. It's super easy and super fun. I am going to cut them. I can't really see, I'm using my camera. Super cute, right? I feel like the gold looks super cute because it matches my blonde hair and it's not so like in your face. Of course, you can add more to it if you want. I feel like this is a good amount. Like it's not so like bling bling, but it is bling bling. Comment down below what color I should do for next month. I got like this multi-color. I have green, blue, red. Oh, I think red would look super cute. Purple, pink, and then another purple. I'm gonna buy a bunch more because this is just super fun and they're super cheap on Amazon. This little clip thing is broken. I guess you don't really like need it. I just used gel and that worked perfectly fine with putting it through the bead, but it doesn't feel heavy at all. Like I can't even notice it in my hair. Other than that, it's black. So it's going to show in my hair when I put my hair up in a bun. But I'm going to order tonight the clear ones or the blonde ones. And they come in a little jar. They're like 15 bucks or something for like 100. So I'm going to order that, and I'm going to order more colors. So this is going to be like super fun that we're going to do every single month with adding tinsels to our hair, because I feel like it's summer, we're pregnant, we're
surviving.
I also gave myself a haircut this morning. I didn't feel like making a video about it because I was literally cutting off the small amount of hair off my ends. As you guys know, I do cut my own hair myself and I do my bangs myself. But yeah, it was bugging me that my bangs were not cut. And all I did to style my hair, because I know I'm gonna get someone that's gonna be like, what did you do to your hair? All I did was straighten my hair, and then I put a bit of curls in it, and then I brushed the curls out. This is like my favorite go-to look with having somewhat tamed hair, but like a little bit healthy, but like we're pretending to be healthy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment down below what color I should do next, and give it a like if you truly liked the video, and I hope to see you guys in my next freaking video. Bye guys.